Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support.
Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the previous DIY look that the look that I've created. Like with this, I have uploaded a separate video for the beginners, how to apply the normal makeup for day-to-day life. Now that is something I have already shared in the previous video. I hope you guys have already seen it. If not, then I will leave a link in the description box, or it will be somewhere in the I button, so you can definitely go ahead and check that. Now this is a review video of the purchases that I did from Miss Madhumita Datta. She usually does live in Facebook. They have a different page, and I think she's the seller from Calcutta. Now they do sell a very amazing products of cosmetics at a very affordable rate, keeping in mind the quality. Now the makeup things, if you kind of use the normal things which doesn't suit your skin, or at the same time it doesn't go good with your skin complexion, that is something which is highly dangerous. So do not use any of the makeup which is readily available anywhere or everywhere. So try and use most trusted brands, or the brands which are really good. So that's the reason many of you guys have requested makeup purchase within a range which is very affordable. So I thought, why not to share this video. And this is also a review video of Miss Madhumita Datta that I purchased from her. Now this thing, I got it like 2 weeks back and I kind of used it twice or thrice already. Now keeping in mind, I'm nowhere promoting online shopping, because when the parcel came, I kind of kept it for 24 hours without even touching it, and then kind of I used it after sanitizing. So nowhere I'm promoting online shopping, but at the same time, when it is really essential, because Durga Puja is coming, and at the same time a lot of my makeup products that I've never used, and I thought of using it because I'm not too much of a makeup person, but again sometimes I watch I would like to use those, so I kind of purchased those. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and if any kind of reviews you want, or any kind of look or DIY you guys require, do let me know in the description box, so that I will kind of make it. And also follow me in the Instagram as Rituparna Datta Dev, and in Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. Everything will be linked in the description box, so do take a moment to check that out as well. So let's get started. So the first thing that I purchased from her is a highlighter fan brush. Now I was in need of this highlighter brush for a very long time. This is from the Fashion Factory. This is a kind of highlighter brush. So if you have been following me about how I created this makeup simple look, I have used this kind of fan brush. This is from the Fashion Factory. Quality is really good. Now this is mainly for the highlighter. That's how it is. The bristles, they are not coming out. Usually if the quality is not good, the bristles do come out, but with this the bristles did not come out. So this is again a good quality, and this is from the Fashion Factory, which is again an amazing brand. So this is the first thing which I wanted for a very long time, because I do have the makeup brushes set, the minimal ones, but I did not have this highlighter brush, and it does the job really good. Now this was again very affordable. I think this has a logo, so scan code. So I think this is the original product. This is not the first copy. This is something which is a scan code is a good example that this is not a first copy. So this is the first product. I think it was for 100 or 150, very affordable. These brushes, if you kind of try in purple and mica, they are very expensive. So yes, as per that, this was really affordable. The next thing is the white eyeliner. Now I wanted this for a very long time. This is from Naleo. I kind of used it, so I tore it. This is Love Me, and this is also from Naleo. Yeah, this is from Naleo. looks like this, and it is retractable. Now let me show the pigmentation. Highly pigmented, and it is very good. Complete creamy texture, quality really good. So I did not use it, but I will make a separate video of how I use this eyeliner and created a look. So this will also be something which I will be doing. This was again very affordable. I don't remember the price, but very affordable. Her products are really affordable and the quality is really good. So that is something. Thank you so much, Madhumita. The quality of the products are really good. The next thing is a baked highlighter powder that I got. This is somewhere, it looks like this. I have used to create this makeup look also. Let me open it. Everything came in a very good packaging. I think that was bubble wrap. Before bubble wrap, it was completely wrapped in the newspaper. So keeping that in mind, the quality of the products is not only good, but at the same time the packaging was really good. So yes, that's how it looks like. It is from Mars, and I think here it was completely sellotape was applied so that it does not get open and does not get broken also. So this is how it looks like. The pigmentation is really good. That's how it is. Now, by the way, I have already used it on my face. Let me show how it looks. I have kind of used it. So my skin is really sensitive and combination, so it does not do any bad to my skin. So that's the reason the quality is really good, because I applied it and then I'm kind of reviewing it after like 2 weeks. I've used it as well. So this was also very inexpensive, I think for 250. Yes, 250 change, or this even less than that. I'm not sure, but this was really affordable. I don't remember the price, but really it was affordable. That's the third product that I got. And the next product is again from Naleo. This is a liquid highlighter, high beam liquid highlighter from Naleo. Now this can be used as a highlighter and also for the glow of your skin. So this can be used with the foundation. You can mix this with the foundation and the glow will be supremely amazing. So yes, that's how the inside bottle looks like. Comes with the dropper. It will give a natural glow. So that's how it gives a glow and can be used along with the foundation. That will give an extreme glow to your skin. Again, smells good, and at the same time the quality is really good. Before again using any of the product, I would highly suggest to do a patch test over here, whether this thing actually suits you or not. So patch test is again very important, but my skin is sensitive and at the same time combination. So if it suits my skin, and I think it will go with any of the skin type, that is the assurity that I have with the products that I brought from her. I think this is for 250. Again, very affordable. These highlighters, this is in the shade Gold 1. Now these highlighters outside are really expensive, like 1000 or I think 2000 change. But again, Naleo, again a branded one, but the quality is really good. I'm really happy with the quality. It's still shining. So that's the next product. Next, I have never used fake eyelashes, but I thought of using. These are the 3D eyelashes from Huda Beauty. I don't remember the price, but these are really dense and really good quality. Along with that, there was no glue available, and by the way, to use, all the instructions are given at the back, so you can definitely read this and then use it. I have also purchased adhesive for fake eyelashes. I don't remember, but this was also very affordable. This was from MAC. The next thing which I purchased is eyeliner. This is from the Fashion Factory waterproof lip and eyeliner. Now this I've already applied, used it. Now this is what the pigmentation, you can easily see I have actually used it on my face and really on my eyes. I'm sorry, I've used eyeliner on my eyes and they are really pigmented and it gives a really amazing look. So this is again very affordable, I think 100 change it was. Next I have chubby sticks. Now this is from Inshine Absolute Matte Chubby Stick. This is what the color. Now this is my favorite color and I really love this. Let me show the pigmentation. That's how the pigmentation, it is very smooth, very good quality. This is really affordable, I think 75 change. Inshine original. Now this is also original. Now I think they usually get from the dealers and there is no in between prices from dealers to the market, and then I think that's the reason they are really affordable. This is the first color. This is how the shade is, and the next is this kind of burgundy mauve color. I think that's how the shade is. Smells divine again and quality really good, and it's a roller one. You have to kind of roll it and we get this much quantity. So that's the next thing. I wanted lip crayon for a very long time. I do have, but I was not having these two colors. Next I got I think 2 shades from the Fashion Factory. These are the bullet lipsticks. They both are from the Fashion Factory and these two are the colors. It's matte cream. The first color is like this and the next is this kind of chocolate color. This is how the color is. So this is very good. I have already applied on my lips, this one. So the texture is very creamy and at the same time it's not matte. If you know me for a little while, I do not like matte lip colors, but it is very smooth and creamy. The next thing I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. The first is from Huda Beauty and yeah, both are from Huda Beauty actually. The first thing is this one. This is a glitter palette and I think I have already created this glitter look with the help of this palette, so you can definitely check out that video. This is how the palette looks like. This is again a beautiful palette. The pigmentation is very good. If you can see, this is how the pigmentation is and they are really good, and I really love this palette. All are glitter. There is nothing matte. All are glitter and pigmentation is just wow. The packaging was really good. It was bubble wrap. Still bubble is coming out. It was bubble wrap and at the same time highly pigmented. So there is no doubt about the pigmentation. I think this was again very affordable. I think 250 a palette of this kind. Definitely this is not the original one. This is the first copy, but absolute good quality is something which I would see. Other sites, I think the original palettes are like 1600 or 1700. I do not do so much of makeup to get that, but this is amazing and I think ये eyeshadow palette टक्कर देने वाली है. So that's the reason I really recommend that. The next thing is Color Studio from Huda Beauty. Now these two are the palettes I purchased like after 2 years or something. I never used to purchase. So the color is really good. Now it comes, this is how the palette actually looks like, and it comes with a professional brush. The brush which is there is professional. As you can see, it's completely professional brush. Very professional brush, and this can be used. Now a lot of the palettes have brushes which are non-functional and you cannot use them, but these are something which is highly functional and I really love the palette looks like. this is how. Now these two is something which got damaged actually. After I used it, it got damaged. Actually these are really palettes are really delicate, so it slipped out of my hand and it got damaged. But again, the packaging was really good and I love it. Regarding the pigmentation, I'll show you how highly pigmented it is. Now I think we have the normal ones, the baked ones, which is matte and at the same time glitter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 are the glitters. So 12 glitter colors and rest all are matte colors. And you get black also. This you can use it in the eyebrows to fill the eyebrows, even that is something. And I think it has all the colors and they are supremely pigmented. They are really highly pigmented. That's how the pigmentation is. So I think this was a little pricey. I think 450 was the price, but it was worth, seriously it was worth the purchase. So Madhurita, thank you so much. I loved all the product, and whenever I'm in need of any of the cosmetics, I will definitely get back to you. Yes, and finally I got a small gift which is really so sweet. This was the lip liner. I think this is from Super Matte Lip Liner. This was a gift again. The quality of this is really good. This is the baby pink color. It was really good. So I really love the purchase. They are really affordable, and at the same time the quality is really good. So there is no compromise on the quality. Is something which I can see even this. So yeah, I really love the products and I'm looking forward to purchase in future, because the quality and the price is really to the mark, and I really love purchasing. So I would highly recommend anybody who is using her products. They are really top notch, and at the same time I've created this entire look with the help of all these products that I have shown in the video. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and do comment, and follow me on Instagram as Rituparna Datta Dev and Facebook as Riya Sweetie Datta. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.